Hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn Urdu alphabet Alif Madda and its sound is A. Previous lecture was Urdu alphabet Alif, that was the first alphabet, and today we will learn the second alphabet of Urdu Alif Madda. Let's practice to write Alif Madda. Straight line like Alif. One curvy line on it. Alif. Curvy line on it. Alif. Curvy line. This is called Alif Madda and its sound is A. Alif Madda A. Alif Madda A. Now pause the video and practice this. If you want to learn more alphabet like this, do subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Keep practicing of writing and speaking Urdu.